Hello everyone, my name is Thanapon Gosatip. My student ID is 64T061T006. Today I'm going to present pre-cooperative at the Primo World. So, what is Primo? Primo World is a startup company that spun off from Spot On International Group, which has over 10 years of experience in retail hardware innovation. And Primo focuses on delivering royalty platform solution to various industry, especially FMCG, retail, and financial service, and also provide consultancy service for royalty program. For the main product of the Primo is royalty management. These are for management for the mini's customer royalty program, such as membership and tier, point system, and consent management. The next product is a campaign system. It's for creating and manage promotion campaign such as the reward and offer, mission campaigns, automated coupons, and survey and touchpoint. Touchpoint is customer interaction channel such as line, mobile application, web or cashier portal. And Primo had two brands, one in the Bangkok and one in the Phuket. But I'm complete my internship at the Phuket office. So the position that I'm intern that software tester period on the 6th January to 30 April for the responsibility is test software functionality and identify defects, and then design test case and scenario for testing, perform manual and automate testing, report bug with detailed information for fix, collaborate with developer to resolve issue, ensure the software meets standard and user need, and conduct performance testing. Primo followed the agile development process and organized team into the squad. I initially joined Squad F and later I had to move to Squad V on April. And as Squad handle different client and feature with tasks organized into the short development cycle called sprint, allow flexibility and continuous improvement. So the main project that I worked on that was called Agile Testing for Medical Product Loyalty Platform, and which allied with their client project name is Medicelate. For Medicelate is a joint venture between Meditalk and Celeste, established in 2017. And Medicelate distribute Meditalk products such as Neuranoc and is involved in pharmaceutical, medical device, cosmetic, and dietary supplement in Thailand. They need a loyalty platform for their business. So the loyalty platform is a system or software that help business manage, track, and action customer loyalty program by rewarding and retaining customer through product, discount, and special offer. However, Mady's list is had a special requirement that since they operate multiple brands under different business group, so they need a multi-point system where each brand accumulate points separately and customer can choose which type of point to use for redemption. And this feature will call the multi-point redemption. So this I will show is the main is a Medi Celeste, and they have plants like Medi and Celeste, and the plant that have seven band for S plant. So I will show the sample skin from the Medi Celeste loyalty platform. For the objective, this work is first is to validate the functionality of the Medi Celeste loyalty platform and to test and verify the multiple monthly redemption point feature to assess the system performance and ensure operational stability, and to identify and report any defects or system issue prior to official development deployment. Sorry. For the scope of work, first is analyze system requirement and UX UI design. Next is design and create test case based on the provide specification and perform manual system testing, conduct performance testing to evaluate system stability under load, and design and develop automated test script for efficiency and document and report the testing result systematically for this workflow. First, attend the requirement meeting with the team and then review requirement summary scope and specification. And next is analyze Proma UX UI design and draft preliminary test case while waiting for development, and then begin testing once development is complete. If you if I find any defects, I will report it and tell the developer and then retest and follow up on the fixes. Fix. So for the tools that I use for testing, first is together because we work on with the team and employee or member on team. We will have member from the Bangkok branch. So we use Gather to use the informal discussion and communicate in team together. And we use the Microsoft Team for the formal meeting and official communication and sharing work-related documents. And Azure DevOps is used to track tasks, report bugs, and manage the project document. And for the Excel, we use for planning and documenting test cases, test scenario, and tracking the test result. And for the database, we use MySQL and MongoDB. For the testing API, we use the Postman for tested, and for the performance testing tool, we use the Apache JMeter. So for the testing performance, we use the test on the different environment. First environment is dev is used by developer for initial testing and then stable for final testing before deployment. And then plot. Plot is live system used by in real user and real world. For for we start the planning with the squad team. This is some example of the plan that we have to meet together before work or start to work of the sprint. And when end of the sprint, we also have the meeting to tell that what we need on this sprint on or and what we do on next sprint. And this is a Azure board that I will show you the some defect that can put on that you can create the task on it to tell the developer. And next is test kit. Have to I have to design the test kit before test the feature or function on of the system. This is some test kit that I show, like take the display admin portal in the menu report like this. And for the bug report, when I'm find the bug, I have to create the tag to bug report with the development team. Yes. And for functional testing, we have tests on the back end and front end. For the front back end, we call the admin portal, that the portal that can manage or set anything to put on the front end. And this is the front end for that. This is the real royalty platform medicinal system. On that is have the page that have the can collect the point, have tier, have the campaigns or privilege. And this is our multi redemption point. Yes, that I told that user can collect many brand point like Neuramis point or other point, and user can choose the which point they want to redeem on that this campaign. When click want to redeem, user can show that which point they want to redeem. And performance testing, I already do that. Like for example, I have to put over 50K transaction to redeem the coupon, and then try to per- testing the performance of their export of the report. And then after I already um, testing on that, I have to create the test result reporting. And next is automate test. For the tool that I use is PyCharm and Robot Framework. For the automate test, I didn't create automate test specifically for Medicilis, but I contribute automate test script for PMO core feature based on test case for the automate or Bobamas or PMO feature master. And this is some example that some script that I create. For the benefits gained from the internship, first is I had to learn how to collaborate effectively with a team and gain an understand of agile working process, and gains excellent in writing test kit and planning test systematically, and excellent working in a real company environment and met new colleagues from different teams, and learn how to adapt when working with different teams and handle change that may occur, and gain excellent working with a real client. That's all my presentation. Thank you.